So, there's things we've slowly understood, like a jigsaw puzzle is coming together. Sorry, the recording stopped on the last one, But with these foods, there's like sacred vibrational food, which is more in alignment with the truth of us, or when we ingest it, it's more harmonious, brings more positive feeling in the body, brings the body alive. Because if you numb out the body, if you destroy your temple, then you're physically allowing, which is understandable,
it's
you're
like
allowing death
holes, you're allowing other things in.
Yeah, from the dark, lower astral energy. So when Katie had that food, of course, I can sometimes see the energy in another person more than I can see in myself, When Katie had that, as I say, I could sense the energy starting to feed and come in through that vibration. And I don't know what they're looking for, what these energies are looking for, but they come in on that vibration, with the feeding.
Domination and control, apparently.
Okay. Well, so it's to lower... With the foods, what happens is because the body becomes heavy, vibrationally, something happens within the body which pulls the energy down, and within that lower space down there, within that resonance, it opens one up to the astral energy, which is not so positive, And when you eat foods that are unadulterated in their more pure state, you open yourself up to a more higher energy up here, sort of thing, So this is like one of the most fundamental things to be understanding on the planet.
Because we're all taking food into our system all the time, and most of us are doing it without much awareness.
Yeah, and if you was to take most humans, if we took the whole population and even just managed our addictions, the stuff that is wrecking our system, you would find very quickly that the personality of the general population changes, and that people go, I feel like I'm waking up. I feel, because that's the amount of suppression that's going on us through these foods,
most
through
of
society.
the dumbing down that is being done to humanity is being done through the things that we're ingesting.
And it's the hardest to see, because we'll change anything outside. We'll do affirmations, we'll do body work, we'll do
it's
whatever.
A lot easier to point at junkies, start saying somebody using heroin or using any kind of drug or alcohol or whatever as the people who have got the problem, because we don't tend to want to look at ourselves for the way that we are using foods, for our attitudes towards it, what is actually going on inside us and our behaviours.
So we've done quite a few videos about food, like 10, 20, 30, 40 videos about food, and it's like, when I see this, it's like, bloody hell, like this is one of the main things that people are not getting, and it again, has to be understood.
We keep screwing it up ourselves. It's definitely not about judgments on anybody,
It's like I could still feel the cheese like yesterday, in my system, and that was like 2 days after I'd not had any. And I can feel this gooey, yucky energy in the system.
Yeah.
Now,
It takes a while for the body to get rid of it again, isn't it? That is the thing as well, like the raw foods, when we are eating very cleanly, it's like not missing a beat. You can eat your food and just go straight about your business.
Yeah.
Whereas when you eat the cooked foods, or especially if you eat a full meal, like lots of different cooked foods, the body has to take a break after it, because you put so much workload on the body, the organs, the whole systems, that, we get a slump after eating most of the time.
Which is the sign, that's the thing to look for, So I think me and Katie needs to get together a sort of, maybe an online document about all this, about that section, but many other sections of how we can empower ourselves and break free from these